In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise without a MasterCard alternative methods. If you want to receive, hold, convert, and move money through Wise without relying on a MasterCard, the good news is that it's absolutely possible. The basic idea is that instead of using a card, you'll use your Wise account balances, account details, and bank transfers. To begin, open Wise and create an account if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you enter your real personal information, because accuracy matters for security and account access. If Wise asks you to verify your identity, complete that process before moving forward. It's also a smart idea to check which Wise features are available in your country, since some tools can vary depending on where you're located. Once your account is ready, go to the Home section in Wise and choose the option to add or open a currency. Pick the currency you want to work with, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds. If Wise offers account details for that currency, select the option to get those details and complete any extra requirements shown on screen. After that, you can start receiving international payments without needing a MasterCard at all. Open the currency balance you want to receive money into, then go to the account details section. Copy the relevant receiving details and share them with your client, employer, or whoever is sending you money. When the payment arrives, it will show up directly in your Wise balance. In some cases, Wise may also let you receive money without sharing traditional bank details. Eligible users can sometimes receive funds through an email address, a phone number, a Wise tag, or a payment request link. This is especially useful when the sender is also using Wise. Once you've received money, you can convert it inside the app. Just select the currency balance, tap Convert, choose the destination currency, and enter the amount. Before confirming, review the exchange rate and any fees shown. Wise is designed to let you hold and convert multiple currencies in one account, which makes this step very convenient. When you're ready to move the money out, select Send and choose your bank recipient. Enter the amount, add the required bank details, review the conversion rate and fees, and then confirm the transfer. This allows you to use Wise without a card by sending your balance directly to an external bank account. If you're in the Philippines, for example, you may be able to convert your international earnings into PHP and send them to an eligible local bank account or a support